I can't explain how I was impressed with response from people we visited. Being myself in the sawmill and furniture manufacturing for over 35 years, I was touched by the fact that the sawmillers that we visited was totally blown away by the robustness of the machine, the simplicity of the machine. And I think one thing that stood out in a big way for me, and that affects me also in my manufacturing days, is the fact that all the parts on Rhino Sawmill is available from your local supplier of bearings or Bearing International or BGM. So none of these replaceable components need to be bought from us.